Hello everyone, this is M Squared Academy. Let's learn HTML. First of all, you must know that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which means that it's not a programming language. HTML is not a programming language because it's used for structural purposes on a web page, not functional ones. And only programming languages have functional purposes. So you might ask, what does HTML do? Well, the answer to this question is very simple. HTML describes the structure of a web page. The elements that you write will tell the browsers how to display the content on your web page. Simply all HTML does is label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link. So, first of all HTML documents must start with a document type declaration. So you might ask, what does this mean? This declaration simply represents the document type and helps browsers to display a web page properly. This doc type declaration only appears once at the top of the page, before any HTML tags. Lucky for us, the doc type declaration is not case sensitive. Then the HTML document itself begins with HTML and ends with /HTML. Of course, it's in between angle brackets. The visible part of the HTML document is between the body tag. As you can see here, we have the H1 tag and the P tag. H1 tag stands for heading and the P tag stands for paragraph. We'll talk about tags later. This is just an introduction video for HTML, and we'll discuss these tags in later videos in details and how to write them properly. As you can see now, our tags are not colored. I'm using here Notepad++. It should be colored, but this is because I didn't save the file. So let's save it. Click File, Save As, then name it index.html. Usually the first page in any website is named index. Just in case you got lost, the index page is the first one. Then when I hit save, it saves as an HTML document which can be easily opened with the browser. This is how the browser sees our web page. If you press Ctrl U, this will bring us to the source code of the web page that we just wrote and gives us an idea how the web page is made. In the upcoming videos, we'll discuss each tag in details and what it does exactly. That's it for now, and as always, thank you for watching.